Okay guys, today for ELT, you are doing some operations with integers. So let's take a look at number 1 and number 4. They're a little bit different. So number 1, I have minus and negative. Whenever I see this, I change it into 1 plus sign, and then I add like normal to get my answer. Number 4 is a little bit different. I just have a minus. So this means I'm starting at negative 1, and I'm going minus 7. So I'm going 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Negative 1 minus 7 equals a negative 8. When you get to this page, you're finding the quotient, which means I'm dividing, and the product, which means I'm multiplying. If you're multiplying or dividing, you can use this tool. Same sign, positive, different sign, negative, to help you. When you get to this one, naming the set or sets to which each number belong. We have a couple different sets, remember. We have rational or irrational. And then we have our integers inside rational and our whole numbers inside integers and rational. A number like pi, we know that pi is 3.14, on and on and on and on. So this would be irrational. And if you ever see a fraction, just like a normal fraction like this, it can't be a whole number, it can't be an integer. We know that it's rational though, because irrational numbers are ones that cannot be fractions. Rational can. And then the last thing you're going to do, guys, is solve some equations. So remember, we want to check and make sure our variable is on the same side. In number 16, my variable is not on the same side, so the first thing I'm going to do is move it. I'm going to add 2m to both sides. I get 0, I get 2 equals 10m plus a negative 8. Then I'm going to add 8 to both sides. 10m equals 10. Divide by 10, divide by 10, m equals 1. For this one, there's an extra step. So for this one, you see how I have 5x minus 6 minus 2 equals 6x minus 10? Well, the minus 6 and minus 2, I know that if I combine them, I just get a minus 8. So I'm going to rewrite this as 5x minus 8 equals 6x minus 10. And then I'm going to subtract 5x, negative 8 equals x minus 10, and then you just solve.